We're just coming onto Bowfell from the Crinkle Crags. So this is all volcanic, sedimentary volcanic rocks. So ash falls that are laying down, and you can see the layering very clearly. And each one of those individual layers is probably a separate eruption, a separate ashfall event. And these were deposited into water. And we know they were deposited into water because the sediments were incredibly soft. So here you can see this top set of beds here are really very deformed. The beds underneath aren't, they're nice and straight, so it's not tectonic folding, because if it was tectonic folding, all of the rock would have been folded. But it's just this local bed that's folded. In fact, the beds above me and behind, they're not folded again, so it's just this local one. So what happened was it was deposited into water. The bed of the lake or the sea was at a slight angle, and at some point all of those soft deposits, these muds that have been deposited, slid down this slope. They became unstable, slid down the slope, and as they come down the slope and hit the bottom, they all fold over and end up being this contorted mass. So something caused this to become unstable while it was still soft, possibly the next eruption shaking it, or maybe a little earthquake. But these beds were definitely soft, they are water saturated. The only time you get this kind of chaotic folding of beds is when the beds are water saturated. So it was definitely, during these sets of eruptions, the caldera was full of water. It was either a lake or a shallow marine environment.